Unveil the magic of nutmeg, a versatile spice that goes beyond its culinary charm. Originating from the Spice Islands of Indonesia, this unassuming seed has seasoned our dishes for centuries, adding depth and warmth to savory and sweet recipes alike. From the kitchens of medieval Europe, where it was treasured for its exotic flavor, to the vibrant spice markets of Asia, nutmeg has woven itself into the culinary tapestry of cultures worldwide. Yet its allure extends beyond the palate. Traditional medicine has recognized the potency of nutmeg for ages. Ancient practitioners used it as a remedy for a variety of ailments, and today, modern science is beginning to understand why. This humble spice is steeped in history, and its popularity continues to grow as we uncover its myriad of uses. But nutmeg is more than just a kitchen staple. Let's unravel its surprising health benefits. Nutmeg is known to soothe indigestion and relieve stomach discomfort, but that's just the start. This versatile spice goes beyond your favorite recipes, offering an array of health benefits you might not expect. Let's start with digestion. Nutmeg is a powerhouse for settling stomach issues. Whether it's bloating, gas, or general discomfort, a dash of nutmeg can offer some much-needed relief. Next up is pain relief. Nutmeg has natural analgesic properties. Whether applied topically for muscle aches or consumed for menstrual cramps, this spice is a natural way to ease discomfort. But wait, there's more. Nutmeg is also a brain booster. It contains compounds that could improve cognitive function and enhance memory. So next time you need a mental pick-me-up, consider nutmeg. It also aids in sleep. A warm glass of milk with a sprinkle of nutmeg before bedtime can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Nutmeg's anti-inflammatory compounds can reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis. When it comes to heart health, some studies suggest that nutmeg can lower cholesterol levels and support healthy blood pressure. For oral health, nutmeg's antibacterial properties can help prevent cavities and gum disease. And let's not forget skincare. Nutmeg is often found in skincare products due to its ability to reduce inflammation, acne, and promote healthy skin. From aiding digestion to boosting brain function, nutmeg is indeed a magical spice. So there you have it, the incredible health benefits packed within this unassuming seed. From soothing digestion, relieving pain, boosting your brain, aiding sleep, reducing inflammation, to promoting heart and oral health, and even enhancing skincare. And the best part? It's so simple to weave nutmeg magic into your diet and lifestyle. Just a sprinkle here, a dash there, and you're well on your way. Discover the magic of nutmeg in your daily life and spice up your health with its surprising benefits.